Alright y'all, James Reed back with another campfire cooking video. Today we're in the Florida Panhandle, Fort Pickens, camping. You can see the tent set up in the background. We got the campfire going. Today we're making chicken and andouille gumbo. Stick around, check it out. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button because it's absolutely free. Peace. When I come back, I'm going to show you the gumbo. Alright y'all, James Reed. I'm here to show you how I make chicken gumbo on a campfire. Here I have chicken thighs, simply seasoned with Tony Chachere's Creole seasoning and black pepper. Olive oil going in the skillet. And we're gonna cook those in that skillet for a few minutes. Maybe not all the way, but we do want a good hard sear on them. Alright, I'll come back in a few minutes, show you what's up. Peace. Alright y'all, simultaneously, while the chicken's cooking, we're gonna get the sausage going in this pan here. That's andouille sausage today. I brought andouille sausage with me to Florida because I know I can't find no good sausage in Florida. Alright, we're going to flip this chicken too. Oh, hot spot. That's fine. Cooking over open fire, stuff like that happens. Alright y'all, we're going to roll that for a few more minutes. I'm going to cut away. I'm going to take this opportunity to tell you to go ahead and hit that subscribe button because it's absolutely free. I'll never ask you for your credit card number or, you know, anything. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the thumbs up button while you're at it. James J. Reed, peace. I'll catch you in the next clip. Alright y'all, it's been about 10 or 12 minutes and I'm just checking in with you. The chicken's looking good. I'm going to go ahead and flip it back over to the skin side on these three thighs. Only got a few more minutes on the chicken. The sausage is looking real good. We wanted to get a little more of that Maillard reaction on it. Alright, I'm going to cut away and come back in a few minutes when I harvest these meats from the grill. James J. Reed. Like, share, subscribe. Alright y'all, it's time to take these chicken thighs out of the pan. Boom! Chicken thighs. They're freaking awesome. We're going to set those aside and put them in the gumbo later. We're going to reserve that fat in the pan, some of it to cook the Trinity in. That'll be in the next clip. Stay tuned. Chicken and andouille gumbo. Louisiana classic. Peace. Alright y'all, this sausage looks good enough. I'm going to set that aside and we're going to get the Trinity going. That's some good andouille. It's grocery store andouille, but it's good. Now I dumped most of the fat out of the pan, and you see this stuff here in the pan, that's called fond. It's from the juices of the chicken caramelizing on the bottom of the skillet. You want to leave that in there. We're gonna put that on the fire. We're gonna add our Trinity. We got 3 quarts of Trinity. If you don't know what Trinity is, educate yourself. It's like mirepoix, but different. I'll make a video on how to make Trinity soon. 3 quarts of Trinity. It's bell peppers, not just bell peppers. I use jalapenos, Anaheims, and bell peppers. So 2 parts onion, 1 part peppers, 1 part celery, but I like to put a little extra celery. And we're going to saute that until it cooks down to half or less of its volume. It's going to take a while, so I'm going to cut away and come back in a few minutes and show you what's up. Go ahead and smash that subscribe button, please. James J. Reed. I'm out. I'll catch you in the next clip. Alright y'all, it's been sauteing for about 5 or 6 minutes. We're going to add some seasoning, some salt and pepper. A little more firewood to the fire as well. So I like to season it like every step of the way. So we're just going to add a little bit of salt, kosher salt. A 1/4 teaspoon probably. That salt helps those vegetables release their juices. And pepper. You can't put too much pepper in a gumbo, I don't think. Black pepper, telecherry, peppercorns, fresh ground. I'm not down with no white pepper, sorry. Alright, we're going to let that cook for a few more minutes and then I'll come back and show you what's up. James J. Reed. Like, share, subscribe. Alright y'all, this Trinity's been cooking about 10 minutes. I just wanted to give you an idea of what's happening. It's probably got about 20 more minutes to cook, but maybe 10. We want it to cook down. We want basically all the water to cook out of it. Alright, I'll come back in a few more minutes and show you what's up. James J. Reed, y'all. Peace. Alright, y'all. I forgot to put the garlic in earlier, so we're going to put it in now. I got... Where we at? That's 8 cloves of garlic, rough chopped. They're going in right now. Going to give that a stir. That's been cooking about 17 minutes. It's a little hot, so we're going to move it over here. It's probably going to cook another 5 or 8 minutes, and then we're going to start adding the liquids and the roux and the meats. Stay tuned. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button too. I'll catch you in the next clip. Peace. Alright y'all, it's time for something new to happen. This Trinity's cooked down to where I want it. It's lost about 2/3 of its volume. It's down to just over a quart from 3 quarts. It's time to add the chicken stock. Rich, homemade chicken stock. We're totally going to add a total of 1 quart. If you don't know how to make chicken stock, I'll put a card up in the corner. Show you how to make chicken stock. Check my video on how to make chicken stock. Do it right now. Then you can come back and finish the gumbo video. Just do it right now. Peace. We're going to bring that up to a boil, then we're going to add the roux. I'll catch you in the next clip. James J. Reed, like, share, subscribe, bye. Alright y'all, the stock is simmering now. Right here. I'm going to call that 4 tablespoons of roux. We're going to add half of it right now. That's dark roux from a jar. It's good. We're going to add about a half a tablespoon creole seasoning, whatever your favorite is. We're going to put a pinch of kosher salt. We're going to grind some more fresh pepper in here. All right, we're going to give that a stir. We're going to let that simmer a little more. I'm going to come back in a few minutes and ascertain if it's time to add the meats. We'll definitely add the okra on the next clip. Stay tuned. James J. Reed. Like, share, subscribe. Peace. We're making chicken and andouille gumbo. Alright, y'all. Got a good hard simmer on the gumbo. We're going to add a half a pound of okra. Some sliced, some whole. Those 5 chicken thighs that we cooked earlier, I sliced them up. We're going to add those. And I want the gumbo to be a little thicker, so I'm going to add 2 more tablespoons of roux. We're going to give that a stir. Let that cook some minutes. And we're going to come back and give it a taste, adjust the seasonings, and add the sausage. James J. Reed. Like, share, subscribe. I'll catch you in the next clip. We're making chicken and andouille gumbo. Alright, y'all, we're going to give this a taste. Right now it's good. I don't want to add any other seasonings. It's time to add the sausage. There's a military invasion going on right now. Helicopter flying by. We're right next to a naval air station in Pensacola. So anyway, we're going to add the sausage. This is andouille sausage from Louisiana. I know that you can't get this where you are unless you're in Louisiana. I want to encourage you to use only the best quality smoked sausage that you can find. Use your favorite smoked sausage, but I encourage you to use a good quality sausage. We're going to add that sausage. I just said sausage like 9 times. It's also time to start the rice. So we're going to give that a stir. Move it over to the cooler side of the stove. I need some more fire, so I'm going to add a little wood. So it's time to start the rice. We're going to put the pot right there. This is 1 liter of water. That's 3 cups of rice. I'm using medium grain rice. You can use whatever rice you like. Most people use long grain rice. To that rice, we are going to add 3 nice pinches of salt. We're gonna let that rice come to a boil, and then we're gonna put a lid on it and move it to the cool side of the fire. I'll catch you in a couple minutes. Peace. Alright y'all, the rice has come to a simmer. We're gonna put the lid on it. We're going to set it over here. To steam up. I'm going to move this gumbo more over the flame. This gumbo is tasting great. It needs to simmer for another 15 or so minutes while the rice steams up over on the side. I'm going to cut away, I'm going to come back when this is done, and I'm going to show you the deal. I hope you're patient, you can wait till the end. We're going to show you a beautiful plate of gumbo. Peace. I'll catch you in the next clip. I love you so much. Alright y'all, it's time for the final ingredient. We're going to put that good vinegar in there. It don't matter what kind of vinegar you use, just use some good vinegar. And the reason why you want to put a little bit of vinegar in here is this is a very rich dish. The fatty sausage, the fatty chicken, the roux is very fatty. So this little bit of vinegar, you're not really going to perceive the taste, but it is going to help foil all that fat. Now the rice is almost done. It needs about 5 more minutes. I put about a half tablespoon of vinegar in here. We're going to let that simmer. And I'm going to come back when it's time to plate up and show you this gumbo. We're going to garnish it with potato salad, y'all, and rice, because that's how we roll. Why not? James J. Reed. Like, share, subscribe. I'll catch you in the next clip. Alright y'all, the gumbo's done. The rice is done. We've got the potato salad. We've got rice. If you're from Louisiana, you know about the potato salad. I'm going to put a scoop of gumbo on there. Make sure you get 1 whole okra pod for each guest. And there we go, y'all. Chicken and andouille gumbo, a potato salad, steamed rice. We about to eat. Please excuse me. Cheers, y'all. I love you so much. Please take the time to hit that subscription button. I'm out.